Hello everybody, welcome back to this next screen recording, if you will. Hopefully you watched the intro to HHS recording before this one. In that recording, I did make an error. I said we were going to be doing an activity and to stay tuned for that. That was listed on a slide. We're going to scratch that. We're not actually going to do it, so please disregard that activity. But we are going to move forward in this e-learning setting to what the next set of instructions, assessments, and expectations are. So from our main page of our Brightspace classroom, you're going to head to discussions. In discussions, you will notice that not only is the class lounge still open, and it will be for class support and questions, and our first ever discussion of two truths and a lie, but you will notice that I have opened up Unit 1 of how do social scientists do their work. Some quick instructions here of how your post should look. Previous teacher, Miss Morley, left this video embedded, so I have left it there because it really shows how interactive you can make your posts. But you must always participate in the discussions for each activity before you be able to access the assignment Dropbox location. So best practice of learning is participating in the discussions before completing the assignment. So what is going to happen is in activity 1, you're going to be finding meaning. So in discussions with your classmates, respond to each of the questions below. Number 1, pick one specific line of the poem. How does the meaning of the line change when you use a different word to replace children in the poem? And do you agree or disagree with this message in the poem and explain why? You can reply to one other comment from a classmate in a positive manner, not just a pat on your back. You can ask a question, make a comparison, explain why you agree or disagree with what they said, or state something that surprised you. So you must start a new thread before you can read and reply to other threads. Please make sure you are following these steps. But if you're kind of sitting here wondering, hey, Miss B, what poem are you talking about? That's where we have to go back up here to the top and we need to go to content. So under content, you will notice Unit 1 here, how do social scientists do their work? And you are going to go to the very first activity, exploring the social sciences. When you open these up, sometimes there will be a couple of different pop-ups here, so bear with me if that happens. But the poem that is referred to in the discussion post is found here. The Children Learn What They Live by Dorothy Law Nolt. You're going to read this poem here and then base your discussion questions off of those, which are also located at the bottom of the screen here. If you want to see how you're being assessed, the rubric is located at the bottom, but this is what we're doing for the discussion post, okay? So read this poem and then go to the discussion post to answer these questions. Once you've completed that, you'll be able to unlock or notice under assignments, the first assignment, which isn't open right now, but you will be able to access it here on the research side of questions, so key concepts. So you may want to identify key concepts, do this little quiz here, and then you will notice an activity under assignments open up for key concepts and assignments. So that is your next steps for this course. And hopefully we'll have those things submitted by the end of the day today. But if you do not, that is okay, but please do, because tomorrow, just because we lost a little bit of time, we're going to keep the ball rolling with looking into our next area of topic, okay? So that is all for now. And as always, if you need help at all, please reach out to me via my contact information found off to the side here. I will have office hours Monday to Friday during this time, and you could always contact me through email too. Fastest one I respond to is the Gmail link here. Good luck and reach out if you need help.